Hi everyone and welcome to a new video. I'm Stefano and today I'll take you on a little trip back to the 90s. Why the 90s? A friend of mine asked me to restore a small band of dwarfs. They have square bases and are partially painted. I accepted the challenge and thought of painting them as if they were treasure hunters for Mordheim. I put round bases. I don't like them because they are old school, but my friend wants the miniatures with round bases. Afterwards I applied some milliput to the bases to simulate the cobblestones of a city, yes, the city of Mordheim. The next day I painted with black primer and in a zenithal way some white. After the miniatures dried, I painted some parts of the armor and shields with brass color. Then I completed the armor with dark steel color. Some clothes are painted with blue color and others with a nice green. I painted the beards of the dwarfs and the skin. A few days later I dedicated myself to painting using streaking grime to give a nice 3D effect and a touch of dirt on these beautiful dwarfs who are looking for treasures in the city of Mordheim. I would like to make them meet my Nurgle circus. Who knows who will win? After about 2 hours that the streaking grimes has dried, I used white spirit and QTIP to remove the excess parts, creating a nice effect. We are almost at the end of the tutorial. With brown and the dry brush technique I painted the wood of the axes, creating nice grains. With light blue I highlight the gloves and some parts of the clothes. I lighten the beard with the dry brush technique. I highlight the armor with light steel. Now with the dry brush and some cream color I highlight all the miniatures to create a nice 3D effect. Now with the PVA glue and some flock I base the miniatures. I love the square bases and not the round ones because I'm an old school type. Long live the 90s. Long live grunge. Long live skateboarding. Okay. Sorry, let's continue the tutorial. And here are these beautiful dwarfs treasure hunters, perfect for Mordheim, Warcry or Age of Sigmar. I hope you enjoyed the video, and a big hug from the Chimera Wargaming team. Bye bye.